รายการอัลฟอนโซไอเอสอฟิสร์คริสเตียนสังวามินิสตร์เราด่าตัวจอดตามนี้นะ2018นะคารคริสเตียนMPประกาศลิงเวียจอห์นบังลาจู่ๆวันเดียกันคริสเตียนไอโอเราเที่ยงแล้ววันนี้อาทิตย์วางินมินิสเตอร์สเตทอาดาเลียตัวนาฮียดอินทันนามานี2023อาคารกันเนี่ยคริสเตียน MP กันเนี่ยเราวางินตัวน่ะจอร์จคุริยานะฮี South India Kerala State mi miril takle Christian mangai takha ana weno vetunitia at atu tuing kotang aron kengtani. Now I would like to invite Honorable Minister to speak what he wants to speak. Let us listen.
Reverend Pastor,
An patuga am takte.
BJP State Vice President Rahul Gandhi,
BJP Vice President takte what was that?
other leaders,
Leaders sang
sisters and brothers. I am very happy that this is a beautiful place and very peaceful and without any pollution. I congratulate you people for staying here.
Ti ko dang moi tak mai kalom hu ve a ti chuan ram peaceful ram muang le nuam ta ka ilo tenga tumi karon mu ve the chu kalom le ni
I came here for requesting to you to elect Mr. Lalming Thanga, candidate of BJP.
he ta hian kalu kal chen chu kam ken ti de zom tak lan ning thanga kai lo hi min von vot pui ve turin karon ron ngen pui tur chuin karo kalani
Because I came here through the roads, I found that no road is there, not developed, and see other places and other states, the development you see. If you elect, see, Lalming Thanga, definitely this place will be developed.
tin kal kong kalong mua mak ka ti khop me kum le hi kum he le chen lo en kol tu ten kong lo en kol dan chu ko mua mak ka tia ta chuan pathian zara lan ming tha kan ken ti de ti milo than tin pui sak ve chuan e kong hi development thatak kan siam sanga lang chu ti ka sei du ni ati ni alam na ki ben ta
To connect between Gamba and Delhi. The victory of Mr. Lalming Thanga is necessary.
Dampa le Delhi in zom tur khan lan ming tha en than tin ni akong toy bereni te dang kong te han en hin le kan ram din mun en hian lan ming tha ilo than tin hian Delhi dampa le Delhi ka kan zar zom don ni ti ni cha
We have seen that how Narendra Modi ji connected this railway to Delhi and by air to Delhi and the roads to this Mizoram from Delhi. That is the same way this Damba also will be connected to Delhi.
mani lo ka modian rel kong aron hong in ria ti jon Delhi le ai zo chen zar zom ta ti jon tu na hian Delhi le dampa I kan main team ania D to D Delhi to dampa to Delhi chumi kalkong zo tur chuan voi nia hian hinung le ti tak zetin ka som chu ni
And you have seen that railway line, 8,000 crores spent by Narendra Modi ji. And you can go from here to Delhi, here to Calcutta, and here to Guwahati.
heta tang hian Delhi theng turin Calcutta theng turin Guwahati theng turin Modi ji sarkar hian thatakin 8,000 crore lir crore sangriat main railway line ron siam sakto chuwa
And for roads in Mizoram, 6,000 crores central government spent to connect from this Mizoram to other places of the country.
6,000 crore sang kru tu na hen state Mizoram state le state dang connectivity nei turin sang son le ani rakwa
and 9,000 crores rupees for the other development of Mizoram by Narendra Modi Sarkar.
Narendra Modi yan tuna aram ti 9,000 crore dang po. Hemi development durata niyan irma komle toni.
And the hydro power projects for electricity, 1,300 crore rupees spent for this Mizoram.
Power project atan crore sang kalis datum Mizoram tan daan ile to hala.
And Fellow India multi-purpose this ground for this Mizoram, that also constructed by Narendra Modi.
Kelo India tetan le Mizoram atan kelmul rang tetan Modian ngai donat nuluk ta ka sheme boka.
I am coming from Kerala. I joined BJP in 1980 when the BJP was formed.
Kerala tanging kalau kala sang ka jakwat 2018 kan 1980 kan BJP ka zombeya
1980 is the day, April 6th, that the BJP formed. That day I joined BJP. And I am a Christian. I believe in Jesus Christ. That these 45 years I am working in BJP, I feel that at home. And all people, this BJP love all people, like all people, and give opportunity to all people and equal rights for the people.
kay Kristiante tak kani Kristan nung zui tu lale so nung zui tu rinom tak kani BJP ka zom nuwa hiyan ram development andi no me mawangin le sa korang rang te chunga andi nom na hi ka muchianga heng la hiyan lau na ten le zirtir chin ti ka hiya.
And Goa is ruled by BJP since 2000, 25 years, continuously ruled by BJP, Goa state. See the development and the peaceful society of this, Goa.
2014 na tangka BJP 2000 na tangka BJP Sarkarian continuously in development na kalpuya sumi tu boy ni chang na kalpuy sawa BJP jo na benti ma jon development in top mai ni
I request you people again, elect our candidate Lalming Thanga and elect him, and the way which we have to go ahead through the development, not through like this road which way I came by, and this Mizoram also, because if Mizoram is ruled by BJP, this state will also develop like other state in India. And 2047 we have to become a developed country. For that one developed Mizoram is needed. I request you for that and elect our candidate Lalming Thanga.
kata real development tak hing tur chuan India ramin program pakhat ani 2047 hi Singla Dixit ani ate ta chuan India ram hi cover ram ro pui ber ni turi tu na kal me ka tumi ta chuan tu na Lalming Thang involved in yan tumi kong tim ron zo to na ni tar ka ni na yan ka request non le chau ni ati ni
Wishing to develop this Dhamma and this Mizoram. I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Chong ka tu soi zong zong te mang chuan ami dam pa le Delhi chun zong tu rian ka tu soi ka ti top mai anga e ka tu soi khong ai tang lo ra reng lo mi lo ti sak ro ati ni minit khat kan bel lo anga tu na yang kan ho mai do na kun rei tak kan ni lo wang in phai kan ti le kan kong kan ma do sual de wa ti chuan mania Prime Minister ayo Dr. Jitendra Lokal Pokan Delhi yan de tampa he tak tak a chuan in van ne ni by election a kum som kan dil lo cheu kum nga po kan dil lo cheu kum thum te lo om hun lak lo hian Delhi ron zarom zo ron zarom mula จะชวน real development กันเปลี่ยนสู้อาหุนักเกมานี่ไงกัน local เลยอ่ะมีนั่นเทสเดี๋ยวกันเที่ยนี่จะมีตาชวนลันพิงตั้งไอ้วอร์เชอร์มาอุตินกันเงี้ยช่วงนี้กันหล่อไหม